Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer lead forms from HubSpot to WordPress, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the Marketing tab on the dashboard. Select Lead Capture and then choose Forms. Identify the form you wish to transfer and click on it to open the details. Click on the Actions drop-down menu. Select Export to download the form data in CSV format. Once the export is complete, open the downloaded CSV file. Review the fields in your form and ensure they match the fields you will create in WordPress. Log into your WordPress site. Install and activate a form plugin if you haven't already. Options include WP Forms, Ninja Forms, or Gravity Forms. Once activated, navigate to the form plugin in your WordPress dashboard. Choose to create a new form. Name your form and select the fields that correspond to the ones from your HubSpot lead form. Drag and drop the fields into your form layout as needed. Ensure that the field types match what you had in HubSpot. Fill in the settings such as notifications and confirmations for your new form. Save your newly created form. Copy the shortcode provided by the form plugin for this form. Decide on the WordPress page or post where you want to embed the form. Edit that page or post in the WordPress editor. Paste the shortcode into the desired location. Update or publish the page or post to make the form live. Test the form by filling it out yourself. Double-check that the submissions are being recorded correctly in your WordPress dashboard. If necessary, adjust any settings in the form plugin to ensure proper functionality and usability. Now your lead form is successfully transferred from HubSpot to WordPress. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.